Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm coming to you cutting this quick video today. And I entitled this video Super Affiliate Network 2021. If you're watching this video today is December the 2nd, and we're kind of getting towards the end of the 2020. So I said, you know what, let me cut something for those that are home business entrepreneurs, those that are in affiliate marketing, something to help you of maybe something that you can look to grow as an affiliate marketer for 2021. But before I do that, I do want to remind you that if this is your first time on my channel, I do want to welcome you. I do want to say that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. Give me a like, give me a share if you do find some value in this video. But I want to share with you, and if you've been on my channel for a little bit, you've heard me talk about the Super Affiliate Network. You saw me using different traffic run into those particular Super Affiliate Network funnels. But I want to recommend this to you. If you are looking for something maybe new to do for 2021, I highly want to recommend the Super Affiliate Network. And the reason I want to recommend this to you is because if you're at a place where you may not have money to enroll in the Super Affiliate Network, or funds are very low, you can actually sign up absolutely free to become affiliate for Super Affiliate Network. I highly endorse their products. They have a great compensation plan, and they really provide all the nuts and bolts, that you need as an affiliate, or even if you were actually building as a business. So I wanted to just quickly here play a video from the founder of the Super Affiliate Network, Misha Wilson, and I will play the video, and I will be right back.
Wilson here, founder and CEO of the Super Affiliate Network, coming at you from my home here on the beautiful island of Maui, Hawaii. And hey, if you're watching this video and listening to my voice right now, it means that you want to go ahead and join us and our company and our mission here at the Super Affiliate Network and become part of our 100% free affiliate program and, of course, system right now here today. Now, you should see a form somewhere on this page, and I'd like to go ahead and invite you to fill out that enrollment form. And upon doing so, you'll immediately be emailed your login instructions and, of course, instructions on how you can go ahead and access our affiliate program, our free affiliate program, access your top-of-the-line affiliate offers to go ahead and promote, and how to access one of the most supportive and caring communities of affiliate marketers, just in general, internet marketers on the internet, all on a common mission to go ahead and create a life-changing income without sacrificing integrity, and building a business that provides you the legacy that you can look back on and be proud of, and again, know that you've impacted people in a positive way in the process. So once again, congratulations on making the wise decision. You should see a form somewhere on this page. Go ahead, fill out that form, complete your 100% free enrollment to go ahead and get started with the Super Affiliate Network. I look forward to going ahead and seeing you make sales with our actual offers. And just for going ahead and getting started 100% free right now here today, we're going to give you a few unfair advantage bonuses. Firstly, a Kickstart training series that will really teach you the fundamental step-by-step pieces of the puzzle that you need to go ahead and take action on to go ahead and see results with your affiliate marketing business as quickly as humanly possible. And then an additional training that will teach you the fine art of traffic generation within your actual affiliate marketing business, which is really the only thing that you need to focus on in order to go ahead and start to see sales and make progress as an affiliate. As with affiliate marketing, everything else is 100% done for you. So you're going to get both of those 100% free bonuses just for going ahead and getting started with us for free right now here today. Go ahead and fill out that form that you see on this page right now, and I will see you on the other side.
All right, guys, that's basically it. You heard from the founder. Like I said, I will leave a link at the bottom. This is totally free, as Misha was saying. for you to begin your journey to financial freedom with the Super Affiliate Network for 2021. If you are looking for something to promote as an affiliate, and it's totally free, just fill out your name, your first name, last name, email address, create the account. Also, at the link out that I will leave at the link at the bottom of this video, couple of testimonials. One from Karen Richardson. To be honest, I couldn't imagine what I could possibly learn for this $1 trial, and I hadn't learned already. But the truth was I learned more in the first 3 modules that I had in the previous 9 months for other premium training I had paid for. I started to see success with the Super Affiliate Network training the moment I started to implement everything I learned. Of course, we have over here Dirk and Miro Dakima. I hope I said that right. The Systems Internet Marketing Education is truly a blessing. It allows us to reach great heights with our own business. We learn how to create a bigger email list and driving more eyes to our websites. On top of that, we see how it helps brand new people to have success within their first weeks without feeling overwhelmed as newbies online. So again, if you are looking for something for 20 to 21, I definitely highly recommend the Super Affiliate Network. Again, we're coming to that season where if you want to do big things, but if you don't have a lot of money to maybe invest into the Super Affiliate Network, you can become an affiliate and promote their products and earn commissions that way. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Be sure to look out for my next video, because if you are a home business entrepreneur or even affiliate marketer, I'm actually testing something that I think will help you show how to get more people to look at your products, look at your opportunity, look at your offer. So I'm testing it myself. So if I get great results, I'll be sure to share with you on this channel. Again, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer here in Jacksonville, Florida. I will see you guys on the next video. And the link again will be at the bottom so that you can go ahead and sign up for absolutely free. Gotcha. Peace.